Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of a ring light. So I was doing some shopping around in Lazada, and I found very affordable ring lights. Two of them under the TYLEX flagship store in Lazada. So actually, after this, I will make another video testing the product and showing it as a video for beginning vloggers or YouTube for beginners. So it means that you don't have to break the bank, you don't have to spend money, hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo. If you plan to start your YouTube or your other social media platforms this year 2021. So without further ado, let's try to open some of the products of TYLEX, which is, let's start with the XR26. So the XR26, basically, it's a 10-inch LED ring light, and let's open it. Okay. So the box is a-okay. I like the branding. You could see the basic specs of the ring light, and you could also see the parts of the ring light. So let's put the carton there, and let's slide open the package. Okay, so what do we have? We have the stand, the tripod stand. We have the cell phone holder with a gooseneck. And what else do we have? Oh, and we have this so this one connects to the stand slash tripod, which we will open also in a little while. And so this one connects on top of the tripod slash stand, and it has a ball. So this ball basically helps you point to the direction and the angle where you want the light to flash or to light the subject. It can go up to 45 degrees, even to 90 degrees. So it's up to you how you will use your ring light and how you're going to maximize this depending on the scene that you want to light. And of course, the piece de resistance is the XR26 ring light. It's a 10-inch ring light. When using a 10-inch ring light, basically, you cannot go very far. It's meant to be on a close proximity. Maybe you could use it effectively around up to 5 feet or 6 feet, as long as the light would illuminate, as long as the light can illuminate your subject. So this is the 10-incher XR26 ring light. And it has a bigger brother, the XR30. It's a 12-incher LED ring light. So let's open this as well and slide the plastic, slide the content. Okay, so we have again the same tripod, okay, the same gooseneck, this one, the phone holder gooseneck with a ball, so you could also adjust your angle when doing your shots. And of course, we also have the connector for the stand, where you connect your LED light on top. And of course, we have the big brother, the 12-incher, the XR30 LED ring light. So this baby could actually brighten your subject up to 7 feet. So if you combine the two, you'll have better chances of having better lighting effect. Okay, but that all depends on you. If you just want to use one ring light when you're doing your video, that's okay too. That all depends on the videographer, the creator of the YouTube channel, or the creator of your social media platform. So that's the XR30. You have two options, by the way. You could just buy only with this tripod, with this setup, or you could also buy another option with another price that includes the 7 or 6.5 feet stand. So they have this combo offer that they offer this stand. Okay, so let's open this one. So what do we have? We have the tripod underneath, and then you have some locking mechanisms here. Okay, the stand slash tripod is made out of metal, aluminum tubes, and on top is where you will put the connector here, where you could put the ring light on. Okay, I've plugged the XR30 ring light. We just want to see what type of lights that it can produce. So usually there's 3 types of lights. So let's try it. So this is the warm light. This is the warm and white light. And this is the white light. So let's try to maximize that. So as you can see, it's very bright. And we could also lower down the intensity of the light. So we have a clicker here, we have a control buttons here. The usual, you have the power symbol, which is painted red, and then you have symbols of negatives and positive. So basically, increase the illumination or decrease the illumination. Let's increase the illumination, and then let's decrease the illumination or the intensity of the light. And in the middle of the negative and positive symbol, you could exchange the light. Okay, you could select from warm light, warm bright light, and bright light. Okay. By the way, if you're interested in purchasing this product, the XR20 and the XR30, I have placed a link down below the description. If you click on that, you will immediately be placed into the TYLEX flagship store. So from there, you could actually purchase the product. So I've made it easy for you to go to that store via a link. Okay, so there, I've presented the product to you. We've done the unboxing of the XR30 and the XR26, including the very tall TYLEX adjustable stand and tripod. So without further ado, this is Charlie Jose. Thank you very much, subscribers. Thank you very much, viewers. And thank you very much for the comments. Those are very important. So again, see you next time. See you on my next video. See you on the next Saturday. This is Charlie Jose saying goodbye. Goodbye.